Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Please, if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and share. Well, we have the package from Apple. Let's see it. Okay, easy to open, easy, yes. Alright. Let's see what is inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow, interesting. Look at this. This tab is closed and you move it and the box comes out. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, all right. Very nice. Packaging looks pretty nice. But before open, let's check something. What? Look at this. Well, it's a flashlight, right? And you maybe wonder, what is this about? Well, let's see it. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Look at this. This is the box. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can read the info in the box. Well, typical information, Apple computer. Okay, from Cupertino. This is the description, iPhone Pro Max. But check this out. Let's see in this corner. Okay, let's see what happened. Do you see that? Wow, amazing. That is very important. Listen, it seems that there are some fake copies of the, well, you can think, yeah, from the iPhone there are a lot of fake and imitation, blah blah blah, but no. Listen, the box, all right, those fake iPhones comes even on fake box, all right, looks well similar like a real one, but the only way to test if the box is real or not is using an UV light, right? Using this UV light, we're going to see this iPhone word that appear there, and this is a QR code. Actually, it's a QR code. Okay, and you're going to need this UV light, but also because yes, maybe the people can make fake phones, fake boxes. They can even fake this, this kind of security measure, but even the box have a serial code number. Yes, that's right. If you scan this QR code, you're going to see the serial number for the box. And folks, that is going to be a little bit complicated to get fooled by these people that produce, fake iPhone imitation, fake boxes. So please pay attention if you I'm going to buy a new iPhone 15, because this is new for the iPhone 15 boxes, and pay attention of the people that try to sell you from second hand or even from a website saying that there's a new iPhone 15. All right, okay, cool. Well, it's pretty nice. Let's see again. Yeah, look at this. Okay, cool. Well, let's open. Let's see. We remove this one. Okay. And remove the second one. easy to remove, easy to open. And now the moment of truth. The iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wow. Oh yeah. In color blue. Look at this top. Okay. Very, very nice. This eco protector. Okay. Let's see what else. Wow, blue color is amazing. Hey, look at this. Nice. The charging cable. It's made from nylon. Okay, cool. Yeah, USB-C, of course. What else? Okay, we have this with some instruction. Oh wow, the SIM tool. Okay, very cool. SIM tool, some information, different languages, and of course the sticker. Yeah, the sticker. Let's put everything here. Again, into the box. Go here and go here. Right? Well, about if the iPhone with the new titanium frame is lighter or heavier than the previous version. Well, honestly, I don't feel the difference. Okay. Some other people says that no, it's lighter than the previous one, but honestly, I think that it's the same because the difference from the previous version are only 9 grams. So for me, it's okay. Not too heavy, not too lighter. Okay, well, let's remove this. Oh, look. A small icon, power button. Volume down here, volume up, and the new action button. Okay, cool. Let's remove this, open, and that's it. And welcome to iPhone. Swipe up, and that's it. This is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max with titanium frame. Pretty nice, pretty impressive. And some people says that about the titanium, well, if I touch it, no fingerprints. That's nice. Not now. Let's see something. It's very interesting. I'm going to do something like this. Let me turn off the screen. Put it here. The iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay. And yes, let's review the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pretty nice. Titanium frame. Pretty cool, right? Listen, this is not the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the difference. Let's move this. Two iPhones. Same color. Well, it's slightly different. I don't know if you can notice the difference, but this blue color is a little bit more dark than this one. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the size. Let's see the size together. Yep, this is a little bit smaller. Let's see it like this. Let's compare. Yeah, yeah. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. The camera lens, oh, are bigger. Yes, of course. There is a big difference. Yeah, it's the only big difference. But in the body, the size of the body, yes, this is smaller. And let's talk about the weight. I don't know. Wow, it's interesting. I think that honestly, I can't notice the difference. Yeah. Let me switch it here. You see? Wow. Nope, no different. No way. Yes, only 9 grams less, but I cannot not. Accessory unboxing. It's just a USB cable, but a hard drive. Let's see what happens. Okay, USB-C, nice. And the thing is, the camera. Okay, continue. And this camera has a feature. Let's see it. To record. Well, let's check this out first. Let's go to settings. Let's find the camera. Record video. Maximum. HDR, of course. Camera. Formats. ProRAW. And ProRAW maximum settings. But for that we need external storage using USB. 10 gigabits of speed. Crazy. Totally amazing. You see here video, over here video. What have we here? HD, 4K, action mode no. What else? Cinematic. Continue. Cinematic. Cool. Well, no warning about that we don't have an external storage, so pretty nice. That means that it's working. Flash, action mode, no flash. Let's record. Wow, the quality of the screen is amazing. I don't know if you can see it, but wow, from my point of view, it looks incredible. Wow, look at that. Crazy. Wow, totally crazy. Yeah, so the accessory works. Cool. Let's unbox quickly this other accessory. It's just a charger, and let me check the compatibility for the charger. Oh yeah, pretty nice, works like a charm. Fine, pretty cool. Well guys, this is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Stay tuned, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share, stay safe, and see you on the next video.